In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your YouTube 100k subscriber plaque. As you can see, we've hit 100,000 subscribers, so thank you for everyone that's subscribed. And you can see I can claim it up here. Now, the first step is to obviously hit 100k subscribers. You then want to go to Google, and once you're on Google, just type in something like YouTube 100k claim plaque. And what you're looking for is, if you scroll down, you'll see this Google Help article. You can go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're on that, make sure you switch to the correct Gmail account. If you're not on the account that's associated with your YouTube channel, you won't be able to claim it. So after switching my account on this support document here, you can go ahead and apply. So here you can see get a YouTube Creator Award. Now, what you're going to need to do is go through this process. It's going to say, is this email the correct email? You can then click continue. You can read the criteria. And you can then go ahead and copy and paste in your URL to your channel. Now, one thing that I will say, I was struggling with this a little bit. And the reason was because it wasn't accepting my URL. You might have this problem as well. So if you go to view your channel, so I was putting in this URL here, but they actually want your old URL. So to find that, I just went to my YouTube icon. I then went to settings. I then went view channels and features, and then it's going to give you your old URL. And this is the URL that you're looking for, and you can copy this and put it into this field here. Now, once you've done that and you've gone through this process, it's going to say, congratulations, you're eligible. We're going to send you a claim button in the YouTube studio within 10 days. And this is what you're looking at here. It's going to say, congrats, you can claim your silver play button. Here is a code which you need to save. Then you can click claim award. So I've already saved the code. I've copied it to the clipboard. We're going to then click claim awards. It's then going to take us to this window where we need to enter in the redemption code here. So I'm just going to do that now. So after we've done that, we can see we've got to the Silver Creator Award. We can now type in the channel name. So here is the channel name for me, KnowledgeBase. And this is what it's going to look like. So I think they've made this a little bit smaller in previous years. And you can learn more about that here. So then go ahead and click approve and checkout, and then approve it once more. So now you need to enter in your email address. They're going to send your order confirmation here. You need to enter in your first and last name and also your address that they can ship it to. Now, once you've entered in those fields, you can see here your order summary. So it is going to be free. They are going to ship it completely for free. And the item in the cart is the Silver Creator Award. And what you can do now is place the order. So go ahead and check this. It's just saying that more information may be required, and then confirm and place the order. So after you've done that, you'll be taken to this screen. It will say thank you for the order. You can then track your award using your order number, which I've blurred out. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.